4th impart, ghee oil, original, 8.5 fluid ounces, 250 milliliters. Product overview description. Fuel happy grass-fed lactose-free cooking oil, amazing buttery taste, 485 degrees high heat, non-GMO, certified by NSF, certified gluten-free, kosher dairy, certified paleo. Hybrid oils for balanced living. Our unique, non-GMO blend of grass-fed ghee, avocado oil, and cold-pressed, refined grapeseed oil makes for the perfect everyday cooking oil. Our ghee oil has a high smoke point of 485 degrees Fahrenheit and the rich, buttery taste you'd expect from our ghee, but with an easy pour functionality. We carefully process the blend to enable the properties found naturally in ghee to remain intact. We hope you enjoy the taste and ease our ghee oil brings to your everyday meals. Suggested use. Perfect for sauté, sear, bake. Separation may naturally occur. Please shake before use. Other ingredients: grass-fed ghee, clarified butter, avocado oil, cold-pressed grapeseed oil, sunflower lecithin. Contains milk. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.